Hello guys, on this tutorial we're going to write a program that compute the factorial, and I'm going to use recursion, which is like a technique that leads to elegant solution to a problem that are difficult to program using simple loops. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use this to solve this problem of factorial by using the recursion. So it's more like method calling itself, you know. So here I'm going to create another class, and this class is going to be compute factorial, and here we need a main method as always. Some comments method, and then public static void main string, yeah. And then I'm going to create a method here, and this method, let's see, this method is going to return the factorial for the specified number. Okay, so it's going to be public static long factorial, and I'm going to pass int n, a number which I don't know yet. Okay, and then because this method has to return something, that's why we have the error here, missing the return statement. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say if number is equal to 0, which is this is the best case, so I'm going to return 1. Okay, and else I'm going to return the number times factorial n minus 1. Okay, so this is what we call because the method is calling itself, so it's recursive call. Okay, and here I'm going to call this method here on the main method, but before that I need to create a scanner, because someone has to enter the inputs like number from the keyboard. Create a scanner, and then scanner is going to be scanner input, so put alt enter, input is equal to new scanner system.in, and then system.out.println, and then we say enter none. You have to be non-negative integer, like that. And then so we have created a variable which is int n, which is the one that we pass on the method. This number here is the one that we are going to pass on this function here on the method, and this is the number that we receive from the keyboard, input dot next int. Okay, and now we have to call this method here on our main method. So what I'm going to do now here, I'm going to display factorial. Okay, and then I'm going to say system dot out dot println, and then I will say factorial of concatenate n again is plus factorial n. Okay, so if we try to run this program now here, let's see, to save the program, and then right click, then we run this program. Let's see, okay, we enter a negative number, so if we enter 3, enter, so factorial of 3 is 6. Let's see, when we try again, 4 is 24. Try again, 5 is this one. So the factorial is it's more of like this method is calling itself. So when you pass 5 here, and then here is checking 5 equal to 0, no, so it jumps from here and it comes here, so it takes 5 times 5 minus 1, which is 4, then it's 20. Okay, and it goes back again like that. So this method is calling itself, so recursive call. So this is just a simple way of showing you how to use the recursion, and it's very useful in programming world. Thank you guys, and subscribe, and bye bye.